Christmas shopping for kids. Christmas is a truly magical season that is enjoyed by many, but no one enjoys the Christmas season more than kids. It might be the prospect of some well-deserved time off from school, the allure of the lights and decorations, the beauty of the snow that often accompanies Christmas, or just the anticipation of Santa and his sleigh filled with toys that is so exciting for children. But it is evident that most kids are truly enchanted by Christmas. For this reason, many adults truly enjoy shopping for kids and Christmas time. While Christmas shopping for kids is a great deal of fun, there are some factors to consider when Christmas shopping for kids. A few of the specific concerns include selecting age-appropriate toys, selecting toys which are not too noisy or too big for the child's living situation, selecting toys the child does not already have, selecting toys which the parents consider to be acceptable, and finally selecting toys the child will enjoy. This can make Christmas shopping for kids a little more difficult, but does not make the shopping any less fun. Selecting age-appropriate toys is very important when Christmas shopping for kids. This is so important for a couple of reasons. First of all, it is important because toys which are designed for older children might be potentially dangerous for the child. For example, toys which are designed for children over the age of 3 may contain small pieces which pose a choking hazard. Children under the age of 3 still often put toys and other objects in their mouths, so they must receive toys which contain only pieces large enough to not be a choking hazard. Also, toys which are designed for an older child or even a younger child may not be as much fun for the child as they would be for children of the appropriate age. If the child is too young for the toy, they may become easily frustrated because they cannot use the toy appropriately. Conversely, a child who is too old for a particular toy may become bored with the toy quickly. When shopping for Christmas gifts for a child, it is also important to consider the child's parents and the living situation. This includes the size of the living area and the proximity to neighbors. Specifically, toys which are particularly noisy may not be appropriate for a child who lives in an apartment building with other apartment units nearby. Also, large toys such as a trampoline may not be appropriate for a child who does not have a yard large enough to accommodate such a gift. Similarly, large indoor items such as a foosball table would not be appropriate for a child who does not have a dedicated toy room to accommodate such a large item. As a general rule, it is best to stick with small items which do not make a great deal of noise when Christmas shopping for kids. It is also important to consider the personal beliefs of the parents when shopping for Christmas gifts for their children. Specifically, you should not purchase an item for a child if you know their parents are ethically opposed to such as item. Guns and violent video games are a couple of obvious examples of Christmas gifts which may offend the parents. There are many parents who do not allow their children to play with these items because they believe they promote violence. If you are not sure about the feelings of the parents, it is best not to select these items. Finally, when Christmas shopping for a child, it is wise to consult the parents beforehand. This can be helpful for a couple of different reasons. First, the parents can give some insight into the child's hobbies and interests, which may make selecting a gift easier. They may even suggest a specific item from the child's Christmas list, ensuring you are giving the child something he really wants for Christmas. Consulting the parents can also prevent you from giving the child a gift he already has. Try calling the parents before you make a purchase to suggest a particular item. They can let you know if they think the child will enjoy the item or if the child already has the item. Click the link below for more information. Also, if this content was helpful to you, please give us a like and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.